Hi guys, it's me Paul again, and today I have got this beautiful sensory product from Wish. So this is called the H20 Humidifier. So it's a 330ml water tank which is in here, and then you add the oils afterwards and then put the top on, and then it does like a mist. So this will not set off any fire alarms, because I've been trying this and it's been great. So I'll show you how it works. So let me show you some of the oils as well. So that's the humidifier. So they come in a range of black, white and pink. Okay, so you can get these oils as well. So this is green tea, ocean, lemon, lavender, jasmine and rosemary. So I found these items on Wish, like I said. So the humidifier there cost me about £5 for the unit, and then for the oils it cost me £1 or a pack of 12. So I just got a few just in case this didn't work. So yeah, I'm going to show how this actually works. So back in a minute guys. So first of all, to unplug this you just need to unplug the USB cable. And now we need to fill this up with some water again, because I've used it. So let's fill this thing up with water. So as you can see, I've got the container. So first of all, I've got to untop this, and that's what it comes out as. And there's the water tank. So let's just put that there for a second. Just move that out of the way. Now I just need to fill it up. And there's a little line on it to say where it's got to be. Okay, make sure there's a bit of a gap like that. So let's just put that there. So there we go, that's your water level. Now let's take it back in my room and then we'll fire this thing up again. Okay, so the next step, once you've put your water in, that's the kind of level you need it to be, is to select one of your oils. So let's have a look. Thank you, camera. Let's try green tea. Let's try you. Right, let's try the green tea. So this is the green tea. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Let's get my hand out of the way so you can see it. Green tea. So what you got to do is open the top gently. It does smell quite nice, and as you can see there's a little cap, so you don't want to chuck in the whole bottle in, just a few little drops. You can use a teaspoon if you like. So you just got to be so careful to release this, just in case it goes everywhere. And you've got a little open top, so I will put that down there. Maybe you can use the cap as well. So I don't know if you could just probably open the cap a little bit and probably put it in that way. No, you can't do that. Okay, so you have to open it. Oh, that smells nice. And then I want to put a little drop of that. There we go. Oh, that's nice. Oh. Right, and then put the top on. Oh, that's really nice. Put something down. And then, oh, that really smells nice. And then you want to get your top. So make sure this tube is in the water at all times. So this goes on top like that, and then just dunk it in slowly. And then my USB cable. There we go. Now let's see if this works. Right, so there's a button here. So let me move my hand out of the way so I can see what I'm doing. So this is the night vision mode. Right, so that's working. Here we go. And I'll show you the night rainbow. There we go. Now let's show you the mist. Right, let's turn that off and let's put the mist on. So that's continuous. That's continuous. And then that's... Oh, that does smell nice. Got it going already. There we go. So you can have the light on as well. There we go. And then I'll flick it again. So you can have rainbow. Cool, that does smell nice. So I'll show you what it's like in the night. So give us a second. So here we go in the night. And it's on the mist. I don't know if you can see that. There we go, guys. So that's the rainbow one. And then let's put on the... So that's the night mode. Or you can have it on the rainbow, whatever you like. Oh, that does smell nice. There we go. And then I'll press that switch again. There we go. Got rainbow. There we go. So you can have this in the office or in the bedroom, just on a side table. So yeah. And if you're ever going to use this, just keep it away from anything else. Oh, now I can smell that. Yeah, that's really going for it now. Yeah, really nice that is. I can really smell that. Now when you want to turn it off, you just push in that button again, and then you press it again to turn off the mist. There we go. So yeah, guys, tell me what you think of this little unit. So 330ml water tank, and you've got your mist thing at the top, powered by a USB cable, but you can use a USB plug, or if you like it, keep it nice and simple, you can get a battery bank USB thing and it will work that way. So yeah, tell me what you think of this, guys. I like to read your comments, like, subscribe. So yeah, tell me what you think, and I'll see you again soon for another video, guys. Bye for now.